Pack your colors. Let's hit the road and draw a dream. I'm Maani, and welcome to my tutorial channel where we turn simple materials into magical art. Let's begin. Here's what we need for this journey. Oil pastels, colored pencils, cotton buds, tissues, and a tea strainer or sandpaper. For the sky, we need just a little bit of blue pencil powder. Now we tear a scrap paper into a mountain shape. Place it exactly where you want your mountain to appear. This will act as a mask. Take a half tissue, fold it once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times. Ready? Let's draw the sky. Use soft spiral motions with your hand. Let's see what we've got. Gorgeous, isn't it? Now use the other part to mask the sky. Take another half tissue and fold it 5 times. We add random stains using colored pencil powders, gray, dark brown, and brown. Let's see what happened. Gently blow away the extra powder. To sharpen the stone edges, use colored pencils in the same tones, gray, dark brown, brown. Now let's move into the hills. With oil pastels, draw gentle spirals. We want a textured look, so blend just a little. Use 2 or 3 shades of green if you have them. If not, mix green and blue for a darker tone. small dots as distant trees. For the lake, I use a light blue oil pastel. Use the side, not the tip, to make wide, soft lines. Leave tiny white gaps to show reflections of the clouds. When blending, keep those gaps visible. They add life to the water. The next hill is like before, but this one has pink bushes. So we don't cover it entirely in green. Use a different cotton bud for each color. Spiral motions again. Now for the road. I start with gray pencil powder. At first, I tried cotton buds, not the best choice. Tissue works better here. For the road lines, you can use white gouache. For outlining the camper, I use a pen, but a pencil works too. Now we add the final details, small touches that make a big difference. A bit of highlight here, a sharper line there. And that's it. Our dreamy camper scene is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing this with me. If it brought back a memory or created a new one, please like the video, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, colorful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.